Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your phone without a power button. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, it means so much to us. Okay, so if the power button on your phone doesn't work anymore, there's a way for us to actually do this or turn your phone off via your screen only. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to your settings. In your settings, you want to look for the additional settings section. So if you scroll down until you see the additional settings, then when you're here, you want to go to accessibility and you have to ensure that the accessibility menu is actually turned on. Just make sure that it's turned on and click on allow. Once you've enabled that, you'll see the little accessibility icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. So whenever we click on that, we'll be able to see all of the accessibility icons or tools that we could actually use. So you can see that we've got Google Assistant, accessibility settings, volume, and a lot of other stuff. But the important thing here is we also have the power button. So when you click on it, you'll be able to confirm if you want to reboot, go to airplane mode, or power off your device. And that's basically it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it useful, if you could hit the like button and also the subscribe button, like I say, it does mean so much to us. And we'll see you guys in the next one.